Hello, I'm David Smith. I write computer programs in the language Forth. I used Forth to solve a problem of volume estimation that arises in manufacturing. These images depict an object you might create in a computer-aided design program. If you realize the object by cutting it out of a block of wood with a router, you might be able to produce the object faithfully, and you might not. Your cutting tool, a router, features a blade that might not fit into the spaces you want to cut out, and there may be restrictions on the directions from which the tool can approach the block. My program takes into account the size of the blade relative to the size of the designed part, and it takes into account the intended cutting directions when it computes the volume of the material that the tool can reach. Recently I wrote a spreadsheet program in Forth. My program is written in Forth, and the cell formulas are also written in Forth. I will cover that in another video. Check out my webpage at dacvs.neocities.org.